Math time
with Spencer Blewett.
Alright, we're gonna start today with this problem right there. We want to find the answer. So we're going to start by factoring out. So we're going to use a multiple of 1. So on this side we're going to do 3 times 3. So we could get the same denominator as that. So we're going to do 9 over 3x plus 2 over 3x. Now we want to add these two together to get the final answer. So we're going to add that to that and keep these two the same because they're the denominators. So 1, 2, 3. Step 3. 11 over 3x. Now can we factor here? No. Can we put the answer down? No. So that is our final answer right there. And then we're going to have to find what x cannot be. And that would be x cannot be 0. Because 0, if x was 0, it would equal 0. And a 0 could not be in the denominator. Thank you very much, men. Have a great day.